Hi, so this video I'm going to show you how to choose a template on Squarespace. So this is how to choose a template on Squarespace 7.1. You just go to squarespace.com/templates, and then you get this lovely page. So they have already outlined kind of different industries, so you can just go ahead and pop in there, see which ones you like, see what comes up. I'm gonna say that I'm building a website for a massage therapist. So what I would do is I would scan through and see if any of these sort of speak to what I do. So professional services, maybe local business, maybe even personal CV. So yeah, I would just go into professional services to begin with. So you just click on that, and then you see all these different options. Off the bat, I don't really see anything that's like, maybe this like personal trainer one. Yeah, that one looks pretty nice. We can also check out maybe local business, maybe there's something there. Okay, so this is more, immediately I see, okay, health, wellness, that definitely piques my interest. So let's like that one. Maybe this one as well, where fitness is life. Yeah, so say you're interested in maybe the Irving and the other one that we saved. So we've got our favorites here. And so we've narrowed it down to Irving and Colima. So then we would go to, let's preview Irving. And then up here, you see on the left, you see a desktop, you see a tablet, and then you see a mobile phone. So you're really actually able to see in real time what it would look like on a mobile phone. So this is what the website will look like on a mobile, which is super lovely. All of the websites on Squarespace are actually formulated to scale down to a mobile phone or to a tablet all on its own, so you don't have to worry. And they're all scalable. Okay, so this one looks good. I still want to see what it looks like on a demo site. So I'm going to go to the actual demo site. Looks good. I like that one. Good, I'm done. Now, if you like this one, then you would go back and you would just click Start with this design. Alternatively, I'm going to show you, because Squarespace also had some templates from 7.0 version. So if for some reason you're kind of still hanging on to the past and you want to go back to 7.0, you would just scroll all the way down, and it's actually on the bottom of the page. They explain these templates are on the latest version of Squarespace. If you're looking for templates from an earlier version, then you would go to this link, and then boom, then you have all of the old Squarespace templates. I am personally using an old Squarespace template, but that's because I started with the platform years ago, and I've found that it doesn't really make sense for me to upgrade yet, because Squarespace 7.0 doesn't seamlessly transfer over. You have to actually build an entire new site from scratch, and so I have blog posts and things, so it's not super seamless. So I've decided to just stick with 7.0. But if you're starting a new website, I definitely recommend you starting with 7.1, because it is, it's, the templates are really beautiful, and Squarespace is not going to keep updating version 7.0, right? So it's always better to be kind of on top of the newest thing. And yeah, so I would, if you're first starting a website, which I'm assuming you are since you're here, I would say stick with the squarespace.com/templates and choose one from there. Happy hunting!